all of you to my channel. My channel name is Biology in Beans. The only agenda of this channel is to make you fall in love with biology. We'll talk with the very basic things which nobody talks nowadays, that is the basics of biology. So let's get started. This video is for every biology class student, either it's in 8th standard or in 10th or in 11th or 12th. All of you can watch this video. At the end of this video, I assure you that you will surely able to get some knowledge about the basics concepts of biology. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we will talk about today the very basic term of biology, which is ecology. So ecology in Greek means eco means or ecos in Greek means home, and logy means to study. So what does ecology means? Is the study of a home according to Greek. One thing you have to remember is that the term ecology was coined by Ernst Haeckel. Who coined that term? It was coined by Ernst Haeckel. Now we'll talk about the definition of ecology. What we'll talk about? The definition of ecology. So ecology is the branch of biology, which deals with the interactions of organism, of a particular organism, particular living organism with its surroundings. So what is ecology? It is a branch of biology that deals with the study of a particular organism and its interaction with its surrounding. So that was ecology. Now we'll talk about niche, or sometimes it's also known as niche. So what is niche? For understanding niche, we have to understand firstly habitat. So what are these? When we know niche and habitat, only that we can move forward by ecosystem and all that stuff. So what is habitat? Habitat is the permanent address. What is the permanent address of an organism? जहाँ पे वो ऑर्गेनिज्म रहता है, उसका परमानेंट एड्रेस, उसको हम बोलते हैं हैबिटेट. नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ निश. सो अब तो हमने ये समझ लिया अभी तक कि हैबिटेट क्या होता है. हैबिटेट परमानेंट एड्रेस होता है जिसमें कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म रहता है. तो निश क्या होता है? निश उस ऑर्गेनिज्म का प्रोफेशन होता है. क्या होता है? उस ऑर्गेनिज्म का प्रोफेशन होता है. इसको हम बोलते हैं निश. सो फॉर द very for your deep understanding, we'll start taking an example so that you can able to understand it easily. So we'll take example of red squirrel. So what this red squirrel do? It lives in coniferous forest. She lives in coniferous forest. Now what she does? Her habitat is what? Her habitat is trees. Where she lives is habitat. Trees, it's his habitat or its habitat. And what the profession she is doing, particular work she is doing, like digging seeds, in the soil, as well as doing, she's also the food for owl. So these are the things she is performing. What she is performing, these two things she is performing. So you have to understand this thing, that the habitat is the permanent address where an organism lives, while niche is the particular work or the profession of that organism. Okay, so it's the niche of the red squirrel. You have to understand this thing. Okay, now we'll talk about ecosystem. So ecosystem is what? It's the unit of ecology, or we can say that it's the basic unit of ecology. Okay, so if we have to study ecology, we must know the ecosystem. Okay, for the very basic understanding of yours, we'll take an example and you will able to understand it afterwards. Okay, so let's take an example. It's an individual. Okay, it's an individual. When more than one individuals, like we can say that when more than one individual of the same species group together, they form population. They form population. And when, we'll change the color. Okay, so when individuals of, or we can say that population of different individual species group together, like this one is different, and again we'll take the, we have taken the pink one. So yeah, so when two different population species group together or living together, two or more than population species living together, they form a community. They form a community. And now when this community will meet, now again, when this community, okay, this community of more than one population interacts, when it interacts with its surroundings, like surroundings can be trees for living, it's or they are interacting with the, these are just basic examples, when they interact with its surrounding, like water bodies or with animals. Okay, so when they interact with the living organism as well as non-living organism, when a community interacts with living organism as well as with non-living organism, it forms an ecosystem. Whereas what is ecology? Ecology was the interaction of a particular individual with its surroundings, while ecosystem is the basic unit of ecology, which tells us that how we can able to study ecology. So when, what happens, firstly we have taken the example of a particular organism or an individual. When more than two individuals consist together of same species form a population, and when two or more than two species of different populations lives in a particular area, it forms a community. And when community interacts with its ecosystem, it's form ecosystem. When it's surrounding, it forms ecosystem. Okay, I hope you get it, today's lectures. And these are the very basic concepts you have to remember. Okay, now thank you, and we'll meet in the next class. These are the very basics you must know from the very beginning, so that you can able to get very understanding or deep understanding about the subjects in your next classes. Okay, thanks a lot.